gonna make a lot of noise. But I got these. These are squawkers. And they got like tassels on them. If I blow on this, does it make noise? This is broken. Hey guys, what sound does the shark make? Okay, good. These make noise. These make... If I was in a clown car. Okay, so those are squawkers. We got squawkers and they make noise, which is good. Oh god, now they're everywhere. I have squawkers everywhere. Okay, we also got these things. What are these? These are New Year party horns. Do you think these make noise? Oh yeah, these make noise. Oh baby, I can aim this right at the microphone. You ready? Sorry, headphone users. Oh wait, that was really... Wait. Wait, this is so sad. Yo, my 2020 year has been like this. What's your 2020 been like? Has your 2020 been... Or has it been... Wait, I think this horn is busted. I think I got a bum horn. Hold on. Oh. I dropped it. Wait, you Okay. Wait, what? Okay, so they work. Okay, so the way they work, so we're not gonna touch these again until we're not gonna touch these again until it's time for the New Year's. I'm sorry.
5 minutes later.
I wonder how many of these I can fit in my mouth. Yeah, do you think I can fit? Wait, how many? This is the New Year's. We have to do 21. Right? 2021. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you think I can fit all 8 of these in my mouth? Let's try. We're gonna try to fit all 8 of these in my mouth. 1, 2, 3, these taste like an attic. Like dust. They taste like dust. I fit 5 in my mouth, but I fit the rest of them in my mouth. Ready? What if I just... I'm gonna bunch them up. Okay, we're gonna bunch them up. So this is 8, did I say? I don't know how many I said. Ah, one fell out. Wait. Okay. Here we go. Ready? That's what we have to do! Sorry, you had the mouth noise right there. I almost choked.